Welcome to the final lecture of our File I/O module. We've learned reading, writing, and appending. Now, let's put our knowledge of efficient reading to a practical use case. Reliably and quickly counting the total number of lines in any text file, regardless of how large it is. 1. The inefficient approach. You might initially think to use the readlines method and then count the elements in the resulting list. While this works for small files, it is highly inefficient for large files. Why? Because readlines loads the entire content of the file into your computer's memory at once. If you have a gigabyte file, your program consumes a gigabyte of RAM just to count the lines. 2. The efficient approach. The most memory-efficient solution is to iterate directly over the file object, f. As we learned in section 23.08, this process reads only one line at a time, discarding it before loading the next. We simply use a counter variable, line_count, which we increment in each iteration. This method uses a constant, tiny amount of memory, regardless of the file size. 3. Creating a reusable function. We can package the sufficient logic into a reusable function, count_line, which also includes error handling for files that don't exist. For maximum performance, Python programmers often use a generator expression. There's someone for line in fpart, which is highly optimized for this specific task. Notice we also wrapped the file operation in a try except block to gracefully handle the file not found error. To summarize, iteration is the golden rule for large file processing. You have now completed the entire files section. Our next module transitions to a completely new and powerful topic: regular expressions, the language for pattern matching in text. Okay, we will go to the next section, section 24. Next, join me in lecture 24.01, Introduction. See you there.